grow, still can't stop it.
What is up? I am Crypto Mason and welcome back to the Crypto Mason YouTube channel. We have got a good video today, folks. I am going to show you how I think I basically predicted this entire shit. I think you could call me the new Pablo. I'm gonna show you something from one of my oldest videos on this channel on December 27, 2020. And it's kind of a boring day in crypto today. We don't really have much crazy news today, but we're gonna hop into it. Before we do, you guys are the Gold Squad. Shout out to all the Gold Squad members. I love you all. We look for gold in every aspect of our lives, folks, and we always find it. Every single time we find it. But let's hop into the video. So right now, let's start with the markets, and then I'm going to show you how this December 27 video has manifested. So Bitcoin 34,135. Okay, we're down. The options expired. We know that. They expired at like 2:30 a.m. For me. And Ethereum 2,322. Okay, cool. That's a dope buy-in opportunity in my opinion. XRP is below 90 cents at 82. Can we keep going? Can we keep going, please? Can we keep going? Now, before we do anything, I need to explain something. Now, even as bullish as I am, we need to keep our options open, folks. You need to be prepared for a bearish scenario. And to me, I might say that we are going into like a 3 to 6 month like lull in the market where it's just bearish for that period of time until we put in new all-time highs. That's honestly kind of what it's looking like. Maybe like a boring summer and then we shoot back up. But I don't know. Maybe we can continue, but that is kind of what this is looking like. So, to me, all that says is accumulation. A wise man once said that bull markets make you money, but bear markets make you rich. Hear it again. Bull markets make you money, bear markets make you rich. I would have already been extremely, extremely rich if I would have paid attention after the 2018 crash. I was in for 2017, the big run up, it crashed, my portfolio went back to where it was and even lower, and then I just forgot about crypto. I didn't pay attention until 2020. So if I would have stayed there and just held and accumulated, I would already be rich. I wouldn't even have to be participating in this bull run. So here we go. The market cap, we dropped below 1.5 trillion. We've got Bitcoin dominance at 43.3, so still holding above that 43. But watch this, folks. Just watch this. Okay, so here's 2017, right? This is 2017. I'm on the weekly chart. This is the 2017 run. This is now. Right? Do you see that? Now, this is my old video right here. This is my old video from December 27, 2020. It has 253 views. There's the thumbnail. This bull run will be 3x bigger. The title of the video is "This Crypto Bull Run Will Be 3 times Bigger Than 2017." Now, first off, at a glance, you could stack 3 of these on top of each other and it would reach exactly where we kind of peaked out right here. Now, look at this. Look what I say in here. Let's watch it. Excuse my my like kind of awkwardness on camera. At this point, I was running 3 different channels, and I wasn't experienced with talking crypto on camera. If you look at some of these, actually, let's look at Ethereum. Like, this is usually, if we look at the big one, the big run here, like that major one in 2017, January 2, Ethereum was at $893, and it's December 27. Because I'm thinking that this whole thing is going to repeat just this. It's gonna repeat this, but even better, like I think times 3 on everything. So if times 3, specifically I said times 3. If Ethereum was at 800, this time it's gonna be at 2400. Like, no words need to be said, folks. We peaked all the way at 3,900 and now we've fallen to 2,400. It's gonna be multiplied by 3 this time. Multiplied by 3 this time. Okay, let's look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin high in 2017, we went from $900. We went from $900 to $19,000. $19,000 Bitcoin times 3 is exactly 57,000. Okay, look what we're having at 57,000. Basically the peak. Look, all these, this candle, this weekly candle, by the way, this is the weekly chart. These weekly candles both are many weekly candles. Look, right at this 57,000 level right here, and now we're headed down. We're headed down. We wicked all the way up to 64,000 here on this week, but 57,000 was like the peak. That was like the key level right here. We were in, we had a couple closes at 59,000, but look at that. This shit was exactly 3 times bigger. But I don't know. So that was the video. I'm gonna try to do these every day, just hop in. Look at that. That just blows my mind. Okay, let's move into some of the news today. First thing we've got is Precious Metals Pundit claims that the next financial crisis will be caused by crypto. What are you talking about? Bitcoin's fixed supply does not guarantee gold-like store value. I'm tired of these weirdo arguments. I'm tired of these. But I'm gonna say precious metals are probably a super duper good investment before before Basel III, folks. Please do your research on Basel III. On June 28th, 2021, Europe will no longer classify unallocated gold as a tier 1 asset. It has to be provable 1-to-1 ratio, which should lead to a physical gold market. This just has to be viewed as bullish for gold and other precious metals. This could well be a turning point, so expect huge volatility in the run-up to what could be a permanent change in the landscape on how the oldest and still the benchmark of precious metals is valued. So Basel III is like a new regulatory accord which is being implemented on June 28, 2021. Or the banks need to be ready by that time. So please look into it. I'm still learning about it, but it looks bullish for precious metals. Now, I don't know if this makes sense, but why wouldn't you? Now, I'm not an economic genius. I'm none of that. I don't know if this makes sense, like I just said. Why would you not peg a digital asset to the gold price and then store all the physical gold in one location in vaults, but then you can transfer the value around in a digital currency, such as XRP. You peg the price of gold to XRP, and now you have lightning fast transfers of gold. Because if you just peg the value, now you're transferring gold around. So basically you digitize gold, right? And then you keep the physical gold in the vaults or something. I don't know. That would make sense to me. So what if Basel III has something to do with Ripple's liquidity and the on-demand liquidity? And speaking of on-demand liquidity, right here we have Ripple on-demand liquidity. Watch this. I found a great video right here, and we're gonna watch it. This is Michael A. Brooks from GoLance. Listen to what he says. He describes it perfectly.
Our company is entirely comprised of freelancers. So we're a freelance company for freelancers by freelancers. We build technology and tools to help our clients recruit, hire, manage, and most importantly, pay freelancers globally. When we work with RippleNet, we hyper-focus on underserviced corridors that have the greatest problem. So we can go to parts of the world where there's the greatest opportunity for growth that are having the most difficult payment challenges. The guy in the Philippines who makes $50 a week, they've completed their timesheet, they're getting a payout over a long weekend. Someone who's making $50 on the other side of the planet cannot wait 3 days to get paid. And when they do, if we're working with maybe one of your industry counterparts that's charging $2 to $5 per transaction, that's 5 to 10%. Would you like to pay 5 to 10% of your salary just to the bank that sends you the money? Of course not. Working with RippleNet, we get rid of that fee and we solve the problem of the long weekend, because the XRP ledger never sleeps. And when I can shoot a payment through RippleNet Friday at 3 p.m. when all the banks are closed and they don't open again till Tuesday, that goes from fiat through XRP to fiat in his currency where he can buy groceries. And all of that happens in seconds. It's the future to work with money that doesn't sleep and doesn't close the door when the banks do.
It is the future to work with money that doesn't sleep. I love that right there. Now, we've also got this fintech article that Ripple had to remind us of. They tweeted on Twitter. And watch what this says. Where is it? The XRP ledger's native digital asset was specifically chosen to power RippleNet's on-demand liquidity. So right now, you're seeing a lot of people say that XRP will just be ditched by Ripple. They don't need it, blah, blah, blah. That's being pushed right now. So you can go back to this article right here and realize, look at this, with independent researchers suggesting that XRP transactions could grow by more than 1,000% by 2025. Yes, they could. Yes, they could. So this is a great article. They reminded us. Also, I want to remind you about Quant and Lcx. The LCX is an actual coin you can invest in. It's an exchange, and they're working with Quant. We've also got this Calaxy, which is being created with Hbar. And I recommend looking into this. It's not a coin, but it's really cool. It does look really, really cool right here. And it's built on Hbar, and there's a Forbes article about it right now. Here we've got Deval DP on Twitter saying, should I sell my ADA for Hbar and algo based on this chart? Now look at this. What's greener than Bitcoin? We've got Bitcoin 707. Shout out to the weekend on 707. But Ethereum right here. Oh shoot, you can't even see it. Ethereum, ETH 2.0 goes down a little bit. Cardano still beats it. Doge, XRP, EOS, Algo, Hbar. Amazing right there. Amazing to see Hbar leading the pack. And this dude says they left IOTA out. I mean, who knows? Crypto whales just bought up $2.85 billion in Bitcoin, according to Chainalysis. So I guess somebody's watching these whales. I guess that's the big thing right now, is watch the whales. We're all whale watchers. Bitcoin dominance cycle suggests the 2017 crypto rally could repeat. This is what they're saying about the Bitcoin dominance. Look at that. Reaching a perfect thing right there. What if we go 3x from here? What if we go 3x from here? I don't know. We've also got these BitConnect promoters being sued right here. Crazy stuff. They were promoting a Ponzi scheme. Unlawfully sell unregistered digital asset securities. 4 individuals are charged with violating federal securities laws. The 5th is charged with aiding and abetting. So this is pretty weird right there. It's weird that Ripple, or the SEC, went after Ripple before the BitConnect promoters. Now, that is all we've got for today. I thank you for watching. And that's all. That's all. Make sure you follow on TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. And goodbye, folks.
Crawl, steal.